Hey Jay, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Look at your deck. Looks like you had cement board installed as your side panels, and it looks like it's been kind of like bondoed and painted over time. So finding all the screw heads will be challenging. Removing that may involve having to remove this bottom board here, because actually what's going on is the cement board is going behind these back boards. So I hope that we don't have to remove that board. I think it's possible for us to just use a crowbar and hopefully unscrew the screws. But a lot of the screw heads, you can't really find where to drill out the screws. So I think it'll be a pretty straightforward removal to get that off. And the best way to proceed would be to put a vinyl decking material. I think white would probably be best. It might be hard to find gray, but you know, a deck vinyl riser in replace of that cement board. It's kind of what should have been used originally. Probably going to have to dig back some of this dirt here to install the vinyl, and then kind of put back the dirt a little bit. So that's what I was thinking would need to be done. Looks like a pretty straightforward job. We can take care of that for you. I'll get you a quote for that. Gonna have to dig back some of the dirt here. I don't know how deep that cement board is under the ground, so that could turn into be a project there. When it comes to the boards here, the cleaning of the deck, all of this green should have been removed, even these black spots. So what we do when we clean a deck is we use a product, sodium hypochlorite. It's a chlorine based cleaner. It's the same product you'd use to clean asphalt shingles or driveways or brick pavers, and it really does kill all that algae mold, mildew really well. And then we with low pressure power wash it away. Well, on your deck I noticed there was actually power wash lapping lines, so if someone doesn't have the proper equipment, you can see those damaging lines. So when we come to repair the deck, we can also finish up the deck and get that perfectly clean. It is an older composite wood, so it's not ever going to be perfect. It has its wear and tear, but we can get it a little bit cleaner than what I'm seeing, and that's just my humble opinion. I see you got some mulch staining here in your driveway and some organic staining here. So when we come here, we can apply a cleaner and wash off your driveway. So I'll get you a quote for these things. Thanks so much for having me here. Sorry for interrupting your day. For my van is at the shop today, so I had a minute to swing by and get you a quote. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for your time, and any questions you have about our proposal, my cell, you can call or text me at 815-520-6020. Thank you.